Hey guys, back again, back on the Valiant Ute. So, finally got everything sort of semi-stripped out of the quarter panels, ready to start stripping those back. So that's pretty much where we're going to be at with this video, is getting all these quarter panels into bare metal to see what sort of surprises are hidden underneath all of this paint. But taking off a few parts, I've already found a few surprises, which is a large chunk of chunky rust in there. I already know about this one, which looks to be a plate has been welded across here. So depending on how much I find, I'm hoping it's only a small plate here, but we'll see how we go when we strip all that back. And this, I thought this was joined to this. Again, I don't know much about Valiants, so I'm just going off what I uncover as I uncover it, but this is the hard cover panel, and it has been glued yet again to this. So we'll get that off in this one. So, and I cut the tail light out of the hole, so all of that. I nearly broke the tail light trying to get it out of there. It was that glued in. So that's been removed. And we got the quarter panel on this side pretty well ready to start stripping back. Started to dig into this one a bit more, and a little bit of air conditioning for the cab there. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Won't waffle on for too long because apparently I talk too much, but we'll see how we go. This is what it is. So let's get stuck into pulling this hard lid cover panel off, and start stripping this down back to bare metal, so then I can start doing some metal work on this. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's impressive. All of the glue. All of the glue. Sick. Right, so we got that off. So again, undone all the screws, and it just released itself from all of the glue. So that's the panel there. We will do a much better job of refitting all of this back on when we put this all back together. So will be a much nicer job, but yeah, just more stuff to deal with as we go. So let's get into the big job of stripping back these quarter panels. Alright guys, so that's it for this one. Just pretty much a video on getting the quarter panels all stripped back. So pretty much where this car is at now is we've got the roof stripped, 2 quarters stripped, so that's the main areas done. So the next step will be to get everything pulled off. So all the panels, all the motor out, all the interior stripped, and all the front end out of it. Put onto some dollies under the front end, so all the K-frame and everything will come out. And then we will be throwing this on a car trailer and taking it out to get the inside of the bed sandblasted and the engine bay sandblasted. And then it'll come back to my garage and we'll start getting some metalwork done on it. So that should be a bit more exciting than me stripping back old cruddy paint. But look out for that one coming. We'll do a bit of a video on stripping it all down and all the rest of that jazz. So more videos to come. They're just a bit slow and steady at the moment because a lot of this is starting to get into the more timely stuff, and I really only do work on this maybe 1 day a week if I'm lucky. Like, I got family, I've got a full-time job, all that sort of stuff. So doing these cars, they're just cars I do in my spare time. So don't expect things to happen at full workshop pace, because it's not what this is really. This is me just messing around in the garage, just doing my thing and making some cool stuff in the process. So that's it for this one. Look forward to more videos coming out. I'll have a bit of a garage update coming soon because I got a few new toys and some cool stuff happening. A few updates on the Corolla. Also, we'll be getting the Corolla back on its wheels and stuff. So yeah, but for now, that's it for this. Catch you on the next one. See ya.